Yo, good morning, family. Hey, check this out. Before you shut your laptop, before you answer one more email, before you say, "Oh, let me just grade this one last thing." Pause. Okay, take a breath with me because we are walking into a break, and I don't just mean time off. I mean sacred time. I mean restoration time. I mean, the kind of time that reminds you that you are more than a lesson plan, more than a behavior redirector, more than a data point reporter. And before we talk about what this break is for, let me first speak to who this message is for. I'm speaking to you not just as a colleague, but as a seventh grade black male social studies teacher who knows what it feels like to carry the weight. I'm talking about the weight of expectations, the weight of standards, the weight of students who need more than what the world has given them. And with all that weight we carry, I need to remind you something simple but powerful. Rest is not quitting. Rest is not weakness. Rest is preparation. Okay? Preparation. So, during this break, the first thing I need you to do is rest your mind. Your mind has been moving 100 miles per hour since August. You've been differentiating, scaffolding, redirecting, adapting. You've been solving problems in real time like a mental gymnast. So now, let your brain breathe. Let something or read something that has nothing to do with curriculum. Watch something that makes you laugh. Sit in silence long enough to hear your own thoughts again. Because clarity returns when the noise leaves. And once your mind starts to breathe, here's what I need you to do. Pay attention to the body that has been carrying all of this work. Okay? Rest your body. Because teaching is physical. Think about that. We pace, we stand, we model, we bend down to desk as our knees crack. We show up tired and still bring energy. Your body has carried your calling. So stretch it, sleep, drink water like you mean it. Move in ways that feel good, not just in ways that feel productive, okay? Because your body is not a machine. It's a vessel. And after you honor your mind and your body, here's what's next. Don't forget the part of you that this job touches the deepest. Rest your spirit. Yes, rest your spirit. You know, the part of you that believes in young people, even when they don't believe in themselves. The part of you that sees potential behind the attitude. The part of you that says, I know you can do better, and means it. Reconnect with that part. Because as educators, especially those of us who serve communities that look like ours, love like ours, struggle like ours, This work is deeper than curriculum. It's cultural. It's generational. It's legacy. Woo, man. But let's be clear. Let's be clear for a second. You cannot pour legacy from an empty cup. That's why this break is not just about recovering from what happened. It's about rejuvenating your energy and your passion for what is still possible. Remember, you started, okay? Remember why you started. Remember that first moment when you realized this was your lane. Revisit that spark, not just the stress. And when the spark starts coming back, use that energy gently. Use this time to rebuild your ideas, your approaches, your practice. But not from panic, okay? Not from panic, not from pressure, okay? But from possibility. Ask yourself, what worked this past quarter, semester, or year? What didn't? What do I want my classroom to feel like on the next go around? Not just academically, but emotionally, spiritually, culturally. Because we're not just delivering lessons, okay? We are architects of our community. Whew, that's powerful. And while you are reflecting, rebuilding, and restoring, I also want you to do something we don't always give ourselves permission to do. Rejoice in your calling. Yes, rejoice, okay? Here's why. Because teaching is not accidental, okay? It's not accidental. It's intentional. It's purpose-driven. Yo, it's sacred work, okay? And when you feel tired, here, remember what Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. said. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, keep moving forward, okay? Keep moving forward. Sometimes during the year, we're flying, right? Sometimes we're running. And let's be honest, okay? By the end of the week, end of the quarter, end of the school year, we crawling. We crawling to that Friday, man. But we stay moving, okay? And that matters. But even as we honor the calling, we also have to remember this truth. You are more than the calling. During this break, remember who you are outside of your classroom, outside of the building, outside of the title teacher. You are someone's friend, someone's partner, someone's child, someone's parent. You are a creator, a dreamer, a reader, a traveler, a cook, a music lover, a whole person. So do something that reminds you of that. Go somewhere that reminds you of that. Be someone who appreciates not being on all the time. Because when you come back, and you will come back, we don't need a burned out version of you. We need a restored version, a grounded version, a joyful version. Our students deserve adults who are whole, okay? And you deserve to be whole. You do. So as you step into this break, don't just survive it. Restore in it. Rebuild in it. And rejoice in it. Because you are not just teaching. You are shaping futures. You are not just managing classrooms. You are mentoring lives. You are not just an educator. You are a difference maker. And difference makers need rest too. So take it, own it, honor it. See yourself on the other side, stronger and more aligned with your purpose. In this video, I'm talking directly to educators who've been carrying the weight all school year long. This message is for teachers who poured into students, pushed through exhaustion, and kept showing up even when they were running on empty. As a 7th grade Black male educator, I'm reminding you that rest is not weakness. It's preparation. This is your season to restore your mind, body, spirit, and passion before stepping back into the classroom. If you've ever felt burned out, emotionally drained, or forgotten who you were outside of teaching, this conversation is for you. Comment below. What's one thing you're doing this break to reconnect with yourself outside of education? Don't forget to hit the like, turn on notification, subscribe for more real conversations, motivation, and teacher life content. Check out the Ben Marketplace for culturally bold teacher lifestyle streetwear made for educators who keep it real. Visit the Ben blog for professional development resources, classroom management strategies, teacher reflections, and free downloads designed especially for new educators. Welcome to Ben, where educators build their craft without losing their authenticity.